Wow. Since I gotta do it myself, but 50, this is not what was on the website to dig the hole for my mailbox. Oh, yes, absolutely. Yes, this was for me. It's only one, guys. Oh my gosh, yes. It is mine. It is mine. It is mine. Yep. Well, the single mom versus the fixer-upper. Sometimes you gotta do what you gotta do. Let's take it with us. One left. So kismet. So kismet. Let's go get this paid for, and guess what? I have a rebate. Perfect timing and the perfect amount to pay for this bad boy. It's like $35. Even looking, it was actually $43 on the rebate. So I have $18 and almost $19 left after buying. We're taking that bad boy home. All right, y'all. Like, seriously, what are the chances that they have one left when they have been on clearance for a while? You know, that's how it goes. Try my best. I'm gonna try my best. This is the single mom versus the fixer-upper to make this a short. Let's see how I do. So, about a couple weeks ago, my mailbox got ran over by somebody not paying attention. Just completely pulled it out the ground. I'll show it to you. Completely pulled it out the ground. Here's the mailbox, and I had to wait for the check from the insurance company. And so here is the new mailbox. So I'm gonna attempt to install this over here where it was pulled out of the ground myself. So let's see. I did purchase this here, so I know I'm gonna need that. I gotta figure out how we're gonna get this off of this. I need to get this stuff off of here. Bang it off. All right, guys, so we have some fast set concrete, and this was about $7 for this bag at Menards. I decided to make another hole because, as you see, the concrete from where the 4x4 was in the ground before just broke off the bottom of the 4x4, and I knew the hole would be so much bigger, so I decided to make a fresh hole so I didn't have to use as much of my concrete. So I took off the newspaper box, and I also, well, I unscrewed that, but I took a sledgehammer to the mailbox. I was not trying to unscrew all those screws, and then we just kind of kept retrofitting it in there to see how deep we needed to go. Now, this is a mailbox kit, and all you do is slide this over the 4x4, but you want to make sure this 4x4 is level and that it is in there very sturdy. And I was told by a friend that I didn't have to do all the mixing, just pour it all around, and once you pour it around, add water. And as the water continues to seep in, add more water until you see the water is just kind of sitting there until it dissolves and dries on its own. And it could take, a couple hours, so I'm just going to leave it overnight. So yes, the kit is not going to go all the way down, but once I put the dirt and everything around it, you won't be able to see the base as much. The camera did die, so I came back out to put pilot holes and also put the screws in to secure the kit to the 4x4 so it can't blow away by the wind. And I had already put the doors on it. This is a mailbox that opens from the back and the front. And alright, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up the video. If you're new to the channel, join the family by hitting that subscribe button and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on any more of my great videos showing you my journey as a single mom versus the fixer-upper. I will see you guys later, gators.